you go, man. Oh, cheers, man. Hi guys, my name is Chrono. Welcome to Chrono's cooking channel. Today we're going to make some Pina Colada smoothies. It's time to cook. Alright guys, this one is quick and simple. You're going to add 1 cup of pineapple, diced. You're going to add half a cup of vanilla yogurt. And you're going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. And blend that together for about a minute. So after a minute of blending, you'll be left with a nice Pina Colada smoothie. Very nice. And for garnish, you can just add mint leaves for color and some coconut flakes, toasted. And of course, a straw. So folks, the time has come to taste this elegant smoothie. Right folks, so thank you for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.